Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'll be sharing with you my Bookish stationery haul from Emily Cromwell Designs from the holiday and Christmas release last year. I know this video is a little overdue, but while I was away in Japan I fell extremely behind on video editing, so I'm catching up now. If you have any questions about any of the items, feel free to leave a comment down below. Otherwise, please enjoy this stationery unboxing. Thank you so much for watching the stationery unboxing. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you want to see more videos like this one. If you want to keep seeing my videos, be sure to also subscribe and click on that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Until next time, goodbye.